Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NBRV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As far as kind of summarizing this entire movement using trading jargon, this was just a total gap and trap, and there's really no other way around it. If you're maybe new, what do I mean by gap and trap? Well, on Monday, the price closed right there, and then this morning, the price actually opened up all the way right there, hence the gap up. And then after the price gapped up, went up a little bit actually. Some poor souls were buying right around there. And then from there, the price just went literally right back to where it started. I mean, like I said, you factor in that the price closed there on Monday, and then you kind of just draw this over, and you can see that the price quite literally is back in the exact range where it was, where it closed yesterday. So like I said, gap and trap, you could probably even use a little miniature pump and dump here too if you wanted to. Now, when I say pump and dump, I don't mean that towards the company. I'm not saying this company is being run out of some bunker in North Korea. I'm just saying that from a price action perspective, the price did make a very, very nice move this morning with the gap up. But then from, as I just showed, from a little perspective, the price went right back down to where it was. So as far as key levels going forward, the level of support that has done a good job of holding strong and needs to continue to act that way is $2.10. Reason 210 is important is if the price were to come down into that area and then just break down through it. At that point, essentially putting the price into no man's land and assuming you're bullish and long, that's the exact opposite of what you would want to see, is for the price to enter, to the downside of no man's land. And then on the flip side of things, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, it's all about these two lines right there, the purple line being the 50-period moving average, the pink line being the 200-period. And you can see that all day long, the price was essentially kind of trapped down below there. So I'm not saying the price can't get above those areas. I'm just saying that apparently, the price is really going to have to bring its A game if it is going to be able to fight back above those areas. So like I said, overall, a total gap and trap today, but we'll see if the bulls can try to recover and maybe create a nice another new movement or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.